Hi there! In this video I'll show you how to create beautiful online polls that bring great results. With OpinionStage you can either create a poll from scratch or from a template. Let's take a look at a few templates so that you can get an idea of the type of polls you can create. So here's a simple poll, question, answer, and results. Over here you have another template where you can select multiple options. Here's an image poll, very visual, very interactive, engaging. A rounded image poll. Head-to-head poll. Thumbnail poll, and lastly, video poll. You see there's YouTube videos here. Okay, now let's say I like this poll. All I need to do is click Use Template. That will copy the poll to my items. I can make all the changes I like. Say I want to remove some of the options. I can change them, of course. And if I like it, I'll just click Create, and then I can preview the poll. Okay, great. Now let's say we want to create a poll from scratch. For this case, we'll go to the Create New and click Poll and add a title. And we can select an image over here, layout, description. Let's say we're looking for an image of, can over here select the usage rights. Let's say I like this image, crop, and I'll just add 3 answers. And click Create. So you can see it's super easy to create a poll. I'll also preview it to verify I like it. Now, as it's very simple, we also have a lot of advanced features in case of need. So let's kind of quickly review the options. You can allow more than one answer for the user. You can allow the user to suggest additional answers. You can display a message after the vote, a thank you message or any other message. You can block repeat voting based on browser, based on IP, require a social profile to vote. You can redirect and vote based on the vote the user did. You can hide the results for the users or show them, allow viewing the results before voting, allow changing the votes. In terms of the answer order, you can order the most votes on top or randomize them to avoid bias. Hide the number of votes, close the poll at a specific time. That's very good for contests or competitions. And the next thing you can do is also integrate a lead form inside the poll to capture email, name, or any other contact info. And that will be associated with what the user voted for. Now, besides these things, you can select the language, you can design the poll. We have a lot of color themes you can select from. You can select your own font, and all the way up to CSS override to perfectly match it to your brand. We also have a lot of social integrations with the leading social networks, and all kinds of other integrations with marketing automations and others. Okay, let's say you like this poll and now you want to add it to your site. So you're going to click Embed and Share. And then you can add it to your site either using a script or an iframe. If you have a WordPress site, then you can use our plugin to make it super easy to create polls from WordPress. And you can also share the poll in social networks or in email, or actually in any place where you can just share a link in. Okay, so you shared your poll and now you're starting to get results. Here's an example of the dashboard you will see for the results. You can see here the number of views. If you have leads over here, and then an answer report with a response report, you can see the timestamps of the votes and more. As you can see, with OpinionStage, creating beautiful polls is super easy and fast. You can also create very advanced polls with all the features you need. Thanks for watching this video and enjoy creating polls.